YouTube, what is up? I am Ace, and I just wanted to share with you a comparison video between the Aukey MagSafe puck and the Anker MagSafe puck. Now, I had ordered one off of Amazon, and as it was being shipped, I had noticed there's a couple of major differences between these two pucks. I've also ordered some MagSafe cases and other accessories, so hit that sub button for future videos. But what do you say? Let's get these two pucks unboxed and find out which one I returned and why. Okay, here we go. We have the Aukey MagSafe Charger and the Anker MagSafe Charger. This one says that it's got on here 15 watts, and this one is 7.5. Let's go ahead and pop these open. Let's start with the Anker, or the Aukey. We'll start with the Aukey here, and go ahead and see, get that unwrapped, and set the knife down to the side here. And nope, it's got another little pop right there. All right, so here we have the Aukey. I got this one in black, and it comes with, I believe it's a 3-foot cord on it, USB type C input, and the cable with it here. I wonder which loaf of bread they took these twist ties from. All right, and there you go. You've got your cable and your MagSafe charger. And let's go ahead and put this off over here to the side. We'll go ahead and set that right there. And then let's move on to the Anker MagSafe charger. What do we got here? Right here. Just go ahead. Wow, such a steady hand, right? Hopefully I don't cut myself. All right, there we go. Set that off to the side and get this thing pulled out. Bigger box, better presentation. This one, I don't know, it just feels kind of cheap. This one's more of an unboxing experience, which we all know and love. This one's got some paperwork. I don't believe, oh, this did have some paperwork with it. Yeah, there's that, and oh, you can buy an adapter or a charger for it. I already got one. And what do we got here? Just, are you happy with this? Are you happy with it? And just some booklets and stuff, quick start guide, just in case you don't know that you just plug and go. All right, anything else in here? Nope. And ooh, look at that stout end there. This is the white MagSafe charger. There's your Anker, and it's a little bit weightier than the other one. I'm assuming those look about the same size, I guess. And let's take a look at this cord. Look at that end. It's also USB type C, but it's got some chunk compared to the Aukey end. So let's go ahead and undo this one. I'm going to assume that the twist ties are from a different type of loaf of bread. All right, there we go. And this one, I believe, has got like a 5-foot cable, which is, you know, a little bit longer. Let's go ahead and stick these side by side and run the cables, or is it about the same? Nope. You got the Aukey cable, runs about to here, and then you got the Anker to about there. Like I said, I think one's 3 and the other one's 4 or 5, somewhere around in there. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get these plugged in. You know, I happen to have an Anker Nano 20 watt USB Type-C and an Aukey 20 watt USB Type-C charger. So let's go ahead and get these plugged in and check them out. All right, here we go. We have the Anker MagSafe charger connected to the Anker 20 watt Nano USB Type-C, and I have the Aukey MagSafe charger connected to the Aukey 20 watt USB Type-C charging brick. And I've got my iPhone 12 here, so let's go ahead and test these out. Which one to try first? What's it gonna be? Anker, Aukey? And we'll try Anker since it's like right here. So the Anker pops right in there and seems to be charging. And it's on there pretty good. It doesn't take, it takes a little force to push it off of there, but it's on there. It's on there real good. Not too bad. All right, now let's try the Aukey MagSafe charger here. Pops on there. Well, you get the charging animation, but you don't get any noise. So Aukey, you get an animation, no noise. Anker, you get the noise and no animation. So I don't know if that's a big thing for you. There you go. The choice is simple. So let's take a look at the back here. Oh, that one kind of moves off kind of easily. It's got some give to it, not like the Anker. The Anker seems more secure in the magnetics, and but it's not going anywhere. It's, you know, it's on there, and it's just not as secure. All in all, it just seems like I mean, they're both good chargers, and but the Anker seems to you know, seems to hold up a little bit better and seems to stay on. Now let's take a look and see how it does with a non-MagSafe thin case. Right now I don't have a case on it, but I do have this Taurus Slim Fit case that I usually roll with. I don't have a MagSafe case yet. That one's in the pipeline. But let's go ahead and pop the case on there. Let's see how it works with the case on there, the Slim Fit case. Pops on there. It works fine with the Anker MagSafe case. It pops on there really well, no problem. And what about the Aukey? The Aukey did charge. Let's try that again. And one more time. Doesn't say, okay, it's not charging. There it goes. So they will charge with a slim case on it. It's pretty slim. It's a little slim case. Those are the two MagSafe chargers from Aukey and from Aukey. But the big question is which one am I keeping and why am I getting rid of the other? So which one did I return and why? Well, I returned the Aukey. For one, The Aukey cord is only 3.9 feet long, and the Anker is 5 foot long, a little better reachability. Two, and probably the main thing, was Aukey on the Amazon site, they put MagSafe 15 watt charging, and it's not 15 watts. It's 7.5. I thought, I was like, oh, just like the Apple Puck, it'll be 15 watt. Now, should I have, maybe done a little bit more looking into it? Maybe. But I just saw 15 watt and MagSafe. And, looking at the Anker, it didn't even put the wattage in the description. I had to look it up and, into the description, and it said 7.5. So I thought, oh, no brainer. Well, clickbait. That's all I think it was, clickbait. So, I'm going to leave a link in the description below for both of them. I would recommend the Anker, although, I know there's some people that, want the black, compared to the silver and white, but I'll take the longer cord, same wattage, and it holds better, against my phone. I've got some videos down the pipeline for some more MagSafe accessories, so hit that sub button. Give me a thumbs up if you dug this video. As always, YouTube, be safe, be kind, peace and love.